Hey my beauty family, this is Valia and in today's video I have not a makeup look. I have my whole empty product that I have finished in this whole summer and I think there are so many of them. So let's get started! The first product is by Johnson's Vitalin Body Wash with Pomegranate flower and this is it. I have to say that it is a very nice, soft body wash for my skin, but I didn't like very much the smell of that. So I am so if I will take it or not. But as a body wash, it is really good and soft for my skin. You can try it and you can say your opinion, of course. The other is another body wash that I really loved it, and when I purchased the first time, I bought 3 or 4 of that. This is by Dove. This is another body wash by Dove, which is relaxing, with jasmine petals and coconut milk, relaxing and balancing. Skin natural moisturizer. This is a shower gel that yet it's really one of the most like products that I have purchased, which is moisturizes my skin very nicely. This I have purchased it and I will repurchase that again. What else? I have another body wash by Scion. This I purchased many times, which is shower gel with sea butter, and this is it. I can tell you that Scion is a brand in which has products that I purchased many times because and they are affordable, but yet they are good quality, I have to say. And yes, I like this pump. It's very nice, very easy for me to do my wash, and I like all the products, and it is so much product. All the products, the Dove has 500 ml. This has 750 ml, 750 ml. It is and more big than the other. And yes, and I will repurchase it again. I have finished that. What else I have? I have my classic D-Makeup Eau Micellar Water by Garnier Skin Active by Bio Face Micellar, which is for face, eyes and lips. It's not greasy and it is good for sensitive skin. This is it. As you have noticed from other videos, Garnier is one brand that I really trust. I use that brand many years now and I really trust. And this has lotion, Eau Micellar Water and oil. And yes, I have to say that I can do my D-Makeup very well. Of course I will repurchase that again. Another, no, we have talked about this, shampoos. I have finished Elvive Extraordinary Oil Jojoba for dry hair. This is it. And Elvive by L'Oreal is one brand that I use. I have blonde hair. I have sometimes damaged hair from the painting, from the sea, from the weather. So I always trust Elvive by L'Oreal because all these ingredients that has, especially the oil jojoba, makes my my hair very smooth and not greasy and sleek, straight. I can do when can use this shampoo very many times, and I will repurchase that again. Another shampoo that I took, and it was the first time that I took that, and I think it is good. It is not like L'Oreal Elvive, but and this is good. This is by Garnier Botanic Therapy with honey treasures, and this is for damaged paint hair, like mine hair. As you see, I am blonde and I need shampoos. They are for damaged or dry hair, and they have some ingredients that they make my hair very soft. Yes, it's good. I give it not 10 to 10, 6 to 10. I prefer L'Oreal Elvive, as you have understood. Another shampoo that I have finished is Scion shampoo for weak, brittle hair with ceramide. And this is it. Yes, this is a professional shampoo, really a professional shampoo. I want that shampoo. Every shampoo I take, I have one of them on backup. Yes, I will repurchase, and this is have ceramide that is very, very good for my hair. I will repurchase it. I know that I will repurchase it. This is a little sample face gel with 30 SPF with high protection. It's a little sample SPF that they gave me in the pharmacy with some other products that I have purchased. Good. Yes, it's good. I think I will, the next year, because the summer is gone, I think I will try it and purchase that. I have my Scion Nature Regenerating Mask with Manuka honey, and this is it. As you see, completely finished. I use mask for my hair every single day. Twice in a week I do it as a mask, and the other days I use it as a conditioner. You can use it and in that way. Of course, in the summer I wash my hair almost every day. And this with Manuka honey is really very, very good for damaged hair. Another mask for hair by Garnier Botanic Therapy with honey treatment, and this is it, as you see, big bottle, and this is completely finished. This, I have to say, has a smell so nice, so sexy, so relaxing. Yes, this mask I will purchase it again and again. What are the products I have? It's not a few coffee while I work. I have finished that. This is a product, and this is for hair, by Filtered Paris with absolute keratin, it is called. This product, you can find it in the drugstore. It is for extremely damaged, brittle hair. Sublime Renewal Cream. Yes, this is a product that I took on my hair after wash them as a leave-in product, and then I brush my hair and leave it. Yes, I take it for that part of my hair because, as you see, now they are more white from the summer. I have to cut them up later. And think this René Filtered Paris, this brand is one of the most professional products that you can find in pharmacy, and I think it has about $26, 26 euros, something like that. It is not very expensive, but also it is not very affordable. What else I have? I have 2 bottles. These are my solutions, disinfectant solutions by Optifree Express, because as I have told you, I wear contact lenses. To tell you the truth, I use that brand Optifree for many years, but I wear contact lenses many years, but I can't tell you if it is good for you. It is good for me because there are some other disinfecting solutions that I can't wear. It depends on what your eye can accept. So I have found this Optifree Express, and these are for my eyes very, very good for my contact lenses. What else I have? I have one body cream. This is very cheap. I have to say this is from Dollar Tree. Elena Melt with olive oil. This is a body milk. Very light body milk. Very nice smell. Although it's very cheap. Yes, very nice smell. And it gives my skin very nice smoothness. I purchased it again. I will take that again and again. What else I have? What? I have my Apivita Be Sun Safe which is tan perfecting body oil, sunflower and carrot. This was the SPF dry oil that I used in the summer when I was going at the sea. Always with SPF 30. I took SPF products with 30 and more. And I have took the same for the face, Apivita Beat and Safe, Anti-Spot and Anti-Age Defense Face Cream with SPF 50, and this is it. As you see, it is the same brand and the same company. Yes, they are very good. They are drugstore pharmacy products. Yes, they are very good, and I will represent them. What else I have? I have two. One by Gabrini and one by Scion nail polish remover with acetone free. As you see, my nails with a very nice blue in that in today. I paint my nails very often for my work, of course. I do my nails alone, and so I need nail polishes. So I have finished the two of them. What else? This is a facial sponge by Contact Pure Food Fibers by Scion. 100% natural, made from contact root fibers for a gentle cleansing. This is a sponge. This is the packet from a sponge. To tell you the truth, it is doing good peeling, but I'm not very satisfied of that. I don't think I will purchase it again. I want to do a peeling, classic peeling from a bottle. I don't think that sponge satisfied me very, very well. No, I don't purchase it again. The other, the classic Garnier Hyaluronic Aloe Jelly Daily Cream Gel. This is a daily cream. This is a daily cream to moisturize myself. It is completely finished. It is a gel cream. It is only for moisturizing, simple, moisturize the skin. It's not anti-fatigue, it's not, no. It is only for moisturizing my skin. What else? I have this product. I have two toothpaste by Colgate. The Colgate Triple Action, which is the classic Colgate. I love that product. And the Colgate Max White Expert Original Whiter Teeth in 5 days. Yes, I have noticed that in a week above, my teeth were more whiter. And this is a good product. I really like Colgate products, and yes, I will repurchase and the two of them. And of course, with that, I took a Colgate Plaque Original effectively fights bacteria. This is the liquid that I use after I wash my teeth, and fresh smiles between brushings. And yes, this is very good. 24/7, effectively fights bacteria 24/7. Yes, I will purchase it again and again. They are very, very good products. This. What else I have? I have 3 of them. These are products. Hair Mist UV Protection with Pro Vitamin 5, B5 and coconut and vanilla extract. This is the bottle. As you see, it's empty. 3 of them. These are products that I used in the summer on my hair before I was going into the sea, to get into the sea, to protect my hair. And this is a very affordable product, about 150, 170, something like that. Very, very cheap. What else I have? 2 serums, and these are by Garnier. Skin Active Vitamin C Glow Boost Serum with niacinamide and vitamin C and salicylic acid. These are 2 serums with vitamin C, because here in my country we have so much sun in the summer. So I always in the summer use products, serums, creams with vitamin C, so my skin is very, very bright. They help my skin to be brightness. I finished 2 of them. And I will repeat, I have repurchased it, I have to tell you. I have backup, and I started 1 of them. Yes, they are. This is my diadermine gel micellar. This is another micellar water gel. This is a gel. When I do my tea makeup, the one step is that I take facial wipes like these are. The next step is to continue with all micellar water. The one I have showed to you by the way, and the third step is the gel micellar. With these 3 steps, I really make up my face very, very well and very deep. One, of course, by Scion with almond 3-in-1 cleansing foam, which gently cleanses, removes makeup and purifies the skin with organic almond extract. This is a foam. When I wake up in the morning, I clean my skin with a foam, although you can clean your skin with no micellar water or a late milk, but I prefer this foam. It is good. I'm not very satisfied, I'm not negative. Yes, I think sometimes maybe I represent that. 2 by L'Oreal toners. 1 Vitalin with hyaluronic acid. As you see, L'Oreal is one of my best brands. And 1 Age Perfect with magnesium and vitamin C. And these are hyaluronic and vitamin C and magnesium. These are 2 toners that I have finished. And yes, L'Oreal, I have backup of that, I have represented them. And what else? And the last I have told you, I think the last products are these. 1, 2, 3, as you see. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 by the Vitalin eye cream. I think this is the most good product that I have tried for my under eye, bottom eye area. As you see, it is completely finished. I have finished 3 of them, and I have backup another 2. As you see, I purchased that product. Yes, the Vitalin by L'Oreal. It is one of the goodest products that I have tried, and yet I will take L'Oreal, I think, for all my life. Yes, I love L'Oreal, as you see, but I have tried it so many times, L'Oreal products in all the way, shampoos, creams, toners, in all the way, and yes, I think that I am safe with that product. Yes, I love them. Well, my friends, I think these were the products that I have finished this summer. I have noticed that in this summer I really have finished many products and than the products I finished in the winter. If it happens to you, please leave me a comment below to see that happens only to me or happens to other people. So, my friends, these are my recommendations for you today. I hope you like the video. If you like it, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and take your time for the upcoming next upload videos. Love you, friends!